Introducing Major Sculpt Shape and Shade Anywhere Artistry Sticks. As a makeup artist, I love defining features on my clients' faces, whether it is playing up the eyes, contouring the nose, really enhancing and shaping the lips, or really creating definition within the cheeks. We created 6 sculpting shades and 4 brightening shades. So these can be used to contour your nose, to highlight your nose, your lips, your eyes, your cheekbones, anywhere on your face that you want a little bit more precision. So it was super important to me in the development process. When we were creating these the last year and a half, I needed a formula that would be highly blendable, but that would last on your face all day long. So it has a brush on the other side, so you can really blend out your eyeshadow, shape your nose. But whenever I use this on my cheekbones or the peak of my forehead or on my jawline, I like using my contour brush. So one of my favorite ways to use this product is to really define the eyes. I really love monochromatic looks, so anywhere that I use a shade to sculpt for my cheekbones or my nose, I always like bringing that into the eyes too, so everything looks nice and cohesive. So this formula effortlessly glides onto your skin. It's a soft matte blurring finish. So my favorite thing about this product is that with precision, sculpting, and brightening, it's really made to enhance those certain areas and to give you extra staying power throughout the day. So this is Spotlight. This is Highlight. This is Beam. And then this is Brighten. So this is Structure. This is Silhouette. This is Shape. So this is Toasted. This is Hollow. This is Smoked. My new Artistry Sticks will be launching August 4th on patrickta.com and August 6th at Sephora.